Okay, this is the same question from Shivam. So he asked me, there's a little bit of confusion about Pioneer update regarding to the RBI purpose code. Many people are confused over which to choose. I hope I get suggestion from you. Thank you. So here the screenshot he have sent to me. So just a minute. Okay. See, this is screenshot he have sent to me, the recipient on account of processing goods. So I have already uploaded a document, and I give the link to my video description box. So here the annexure, so description here, and the capital account. So this is for the exporting export goods, which is export. So here the code. So don't worry about this RBI. RBI do not want to bite you. So this is the some rules. If you by mistake uh, do something wrong, so don't worry about this. You can amend and you can change it, and you can mail the Pioneer. So if you by mistake think that this code is not for me, this code is not for you and others, so you can change. And so all you need to do, just give a mail and contact with Pioneer. So this is some amendment. Actually, this is a financial service. So here, if you Shivam, if you read this article which I uploaded, so I already give the link in the description box. If you search the description box, you can get this link over there. So this is the purpose code, some purpose code, and here this is the communication services. So this for the communication service, the postal service, courier service. The courier service code is P1402. This is the post courier service. So I think that's not for you. So this is a financial service, service thing, the investment banking, brokerage services. So this is clearly written here. So don't worry about this. So I think this problem is solved if you read this code properly. So don't worry, if you need some help, I will definitely help you. But if you have facing some confusion, so write to Pioneer, and I think they will definitely help you. So thank you, and this is a very short video from the request of Shivam. So thank you. I think this problem is solved, and don't worry about this purpose code and blah blah blah. You can definitely change this, and if you are using for the financial purpose, your purpose code should be the financing or services. Okay, so here this is a transport. So category wise, this code will changes. And there's a travel for the remittance towards the business travel. So here the travel, other travels, international credit card. So this is for the travel, and this is for the communication. So this category wise, this is divided. So this financing services, so computers related services, royalty, license, and others. And for this others, this is the also falls in services area. Okay, so in the personal, culture, and the creation services, audio, visual, and related to services and associated fees related to productions of motion pictures. So if you are interested in motion picture, that's like that you are producing your motions, logo motions, or motion pictures, like in you are using Adobe After Effects or something like that, you are might be falls in this services. Okay, there is a services area, and if you are planning to uh, submit your services in the freelancers area, so you need to search in the services area. This services area, this is insurance, and you need to search in services area. So follow this column. This column is very important, and don't worry, you can change your uh, uh, amendment, change your code. Yeah, after that, you think that your code is wrong. So thank you very much for watching this short video tutorial. I have already given the link to my first video about the Pioneer uh, uh, sections. You can check this since if you go to the online learning box, here you can see this online learning box, and you can go to here and you can check. Here I have already do the part 1. This is this one. You can already check. This is the link I have already given. If you click on this link, you are directly get in this document and read this.
Welcome
Okay.
to
Thank
online
you.
learning box.
So thank you very much. Please watch this video. If you need any necessary help, I will do my best. Thank you.